Your support means the world to me. Josh says, how many Walmarts a week on average do you hit?
This is my
It
buddy.
just depends. If I need
Justin,
content,
the
if I
flipping
need
accountant.
inventory, then I'll
He's
hit
a
2 or
really
3.
good guy. Good person.
But if I
Always
don't really
answers
need
your
anything,
questions, your
then I might just go a
emails,
week
your
without going.
messages. He's a good guy. This is one of the best guys you're ever going to meet online. Really good person.
Top trending gaming. I just received
figured
a
I'd let you
copyright
know.
infringement from Amazon my first time. Anything you recommend? I already emailed the brand. You've already emailed the brand. That's all you can do.
Okay, well, oh, that's right. What am I doing? I'm breaking the third straight hockey. All right, there we go. I'm sick and tired of the light being so bad. Okay. Now for the packs that were sitting right next to me. All right, I'm going to open them and take all the cards out. Actually, I'm going to put it on pause and do that because it's it's unnecessary for you to watch for 2 minutes of me taking stuff out of packs. Okay, I'm back. And it saved us at least 3 or 4 minutes, maybe 3.5 minutes. So it was 5 packs, okay. Oh, all right. Sorry, I'm just counting packs here. 1, 2, 3. Okay. All right, I'm back. Oh. Okay. Yeah. I estimate at least 3.5, maybe 4 minutes opening those packs. All right, here we go. Hopefully this will be better. Try to fix it again. It looks like it's a little better. My problem is I can't read them at this angle. All right. Ryan Suter. I really like this Brad Marchand. It's just a really cool picture. Chris Versteeg, Carl Sonnenberg, Marcus Kruger, Darcy Kemper, Patrick Virsiak. All right, there is a Evgeny Kuznetsov. I'll tell you what, Evgeny Kuznetsov is a friggin' great player. Now, I'm pretty sure he went to the Lightning and has been kicking ass there for like 4, 5, 6 years. All right, Kuznetsov, really good player. Okay, who is this? That's a young gun, by the way. Who is this? This is Travis Harmonic, Craig Anderson, Thomas Enroth. Looks like he's signing autographs. Okay. Jeff Petrie, Mark Giordano, Andrew Ferens, Mon McCulloch, Bobby Ryan, Ben Scrivens. I love it. That's such a cool picture. He flipped his mask off. Matt Cook on the Minnesota. Jordan Eberle, my man. I loved him. He was my favorite player till he got traded away. Eric Gudbranson. Yep. Gudbranson. Eric Jonas. Alexander Ovechkin. I don't know if I've ever gotten this card in a pack. I don't think. I'm sorry. Because it was Alexander. Alex Galchenyov. But that's so weird. I don't think I've ever got this Galchenyov ever in this in a pack like this. Alex Galchenyuk. That's his rookie card. Wow. I'll take it. I will take it. Sergei Bobrovsky, Damian Bruner, and Michael Bournival. I don't know if you saw that or not. Because this is actually a pretty cool picture. This Damian Bruner. That is really neat. I don't know if it's sideways. I don't know if I think he's passing on the red line across ice. That's what it looks like anyways. But it looks like it's an aerial photo or him diving or something. Okay, here we go. Vladimir Sobotka. Alex Goligoski. Vladislav. I love it when I get these big names and I know them and I just... Nemestnikov. Yep. Vladislav Nemestnikov. Vladislav Nemestnikov. Vladislav Nemestnikov. I say that name 1,000 times and it's a tough one. It's a tongue twister. Cody Eakin, Joel Ward. There's an Ovi. That's why I knew I was talking about Galchenyuk, because Ovi's on the Capitals, not on Montreal. All right, we got an MEV. We got Pavelski, Nieto, Coulter. What the heck? What's with all the Sharks? Right in a row. Look at that. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 Sharks right in a row. Like, you knew the MEV, but I saw Pavelski. But when we got to Nieto, I'm like, oh, and then you get to Couture. I was like, oh, look at all those Sharks. That's just crazy. Slava Bunyov. Vincent Lecavalier. Let's see here. Who is this? This is a shining star, but not one of those blue ones. Who is this? It is Jacob Trouba. That's a Jet. It's a Jet. So I'll tell you what, I used to do a lot of the hockey breaks, and I used to buy into a lot of hockey breaks. My God, the Jets, like these years, like 13, 14, 14, 15, 15, 16. Oh my God, I start buying them because, my God, the Sharks and the Jets used to just kill all the time. All right, King, McDonald. I remember getting a $300 Thomas Hertl card, short print. All right, who is that? Daniel. Oh, the Sedin brothers. Zach. Here we go. I gotta do it for old time's sake. Zach Parise, Zach Parise. Zach Parise. Upper Deck canvas. Who is that? Watch it be a city. I can't see it. Let's see here. Vancouver, Minnesota. It is. It's Henrik Sedin. You gotta be kidding me. Another friggin' Vancouver. 4 out of 5 cards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cards. 4 Vancouvers. Not as good as the 4 Sharks in a row, but this one is Chris. I can't make it out. Oh, Chris Higgins. Okay. Nick Bukestad. Ryan Nugent Hopkins. We got the Nuge. We got the RNH. The Nuge. Let's see here. Barrett Jackman. Eric Johnson. Justin Schultz. And we end it with a... Who is that? Oh, it's a Brian Elliott. Huh. I wonder if he ever thanks Bennington for coming into the into the what the heck is it called? Into the franchise and winning of a Stanley Cup. Oh, all right. I don't have anything crazy, but I did find these two wacky little. One's a Tampa Bay Devil Ray. It's Ben Zobrist. And then the other one is a Yadier. For the Cardinals, Yadier Molina. It's funny, I cannot read that. Oh, it says catcher. It says catcher underneath him. It says, man, this is terrible. This is so bad. I cannot see what the heck this says. This is awful. It says Yadier Molina Cardinals. That's what I figured it said, but it looked like an Oriole logo on top. It didn't look like a Cardinal. And it still looks like Baltimore. But yeah, I figured I would show you that. Yadier Molina. Okay. All right. Under 12 minutes, that's pretty good. I got a football one, but I need a break. It's kind of sad. I just need a break, and then I'll either do this one later or tomorrow. I got to get these breaks done so I can start getting this stuff off the couch, doing those other type of videos where I show you everything I bought. I got so much stuff, it's ridiculous. All right, peace out.